Hi everyone, welcome to Mom Blue's Chinese Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a delicious Chinese Baozi recipe. So let's get started. First up, we add 2.5 grams of yeast and half tablespoon of sugar, 130 milliliter of water. We use the spatula to stir them well. Mix everything together. Then we add 130 grams of all-purpose flour. Then we mix them together. Now we start to use hand. We knead all of them together. Now let's cover with the red paper. Now let's wait for 10 minutes. While we are waiting for the dough, let's prepare the fillings. Turn on the heat. First up, oil. Then the ground pork. Keep on stirring. Let's stir it about 3 minutes. You can see the color changes. Now the meat becomes white and we put a spring onion in. And mushroom in. And chopped ginger. We start to stir all of them. Let all the ingredients mix together. Sweet bean paste. Soy sauce. A little bit Chinese cooking wine. Now we stir them together. We add a little bit more dark soy sauce. At the end, we add onion. Finally, we put out some cornstarch water. And stir again to make a little bit juice inside. Here we go, it's done. Now let's come back to the dough and we will start to knead it for about a few minutes to make it smooth. If it's a little bit sticky, you put some flour on the hand. Do like this and rotate and press. Rotate and press. So this is the final one we need. Just a few minutes. Here we go. And we cover with the foil and let's wait for another 45 minutes if it's in summertime. And if it's in winter, most probably 1.5 to 2 hours. It depends on the temperature of your room. After 45 minutes, let's check our dough. This already becomes 1.5 to 2 times of the original dough. And once you poke it, we check inside. Once you tear, you see it's like a honeycomb, so it means it's ready. Let's knead for few minutes to press all the gas outside and make a smoothie dough. Here we go. Press the gas. We fold, press on the right hand and twist on the left hand. Rotate, press, rotate, press. Let's use this tool so we can save our energy. And press. And we fold them. We do this step, we repeat them around 7 to 8 times, so the dough will become really smooth. Now the dough is more smooth, and we knead like this again to make it round, so it's easy to divide in equal pieces. Yeah. Now we divide the doughs. So here we go. We need the small dough again. It's the same method. We press, fold, rotate, press, fold, rotate, and we do like this. Now it's ready. Let's do the next step. We take the dough, we hold in one hand and press from the edge, and slowly we push the dough in the center. So the edge is thin and the center is a little bit thick. And we rotate at the same time. Here we go, like this. We do the second one, we turn over. Make sure the smooth side is we will face outside. So we do like this. Here. Press, rotate, push the dough in the center, not too hard. We press, rotate, okay. There we go. Now let me show you how to fold the baozi. We fold from right hand, we rotate, fold, fold, here we go. One is down. Second. Second. Fold, rotate, One finger stick to the dough and the other ones are folding and close. Now it's ready. Let's keep to steam. Now let's wait for another 15 minutes and do the second fermentation and let the dough rest. Steam 25 to 30 minutes. Now it's already 25 minutes. Let's wait for 3 to 5 minutes before we open the cover. If we open the cover immediately, the xiaobao will become shrink. Let's check the Baozi. Whoa! Oh, it's so tasty here. Yummy! Now is the eating time. Oh, it's so fluffy here. With the chili oil vinegar sauce, it's amazing. Look at inside, the color, wow. And the meat is so moist. So tasty. Maybe at the first time, if you see it's difficult to make, you might see so many procedures. But once you make the second time, it's very easy. You just need to remember the main step. That's all, and get the techniques. Especially the time when you finish steaming the xiaobao. Don't open the cover immediately, otherwise it will become disaster. The xiaobao will be shrink, and because the water from the cover, the hot water, if you remove immediately and really fast, the hot water will drop on the baozi, so the dough will become like too many wrinkles. It's become shrinking, and when you eat it, it's not fluffy at all. It's like dead dough. Yeah. Wow. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my recipe, you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me see you in my next video. Bye bye.